Hello everyone and welcome back to Codecraft AI Studio. I am Darshan Sharma and in today's video lecture we'll be studying about the dictionaries in Python. Okay, dictionaries. So what are dictionaries? If I want to store some data, let's say student names. Okay, let's say these are the student names and their marks of any particular subject, if these are the marks. Okay, in Python we have to create a different variables and we have to assign their values. Okay, so if I have a number of students here, I have to make number of variables and assigning their values. Or instead of that thing, if I'll make a dictionary in which I'm writing student names and their marks, okay, it would be very easy to access them. Okay, so in dictionary there are two things. First is key and second is value. Okay, these student names are keys. Okay, these keys should be unique. Okay, the student names cannot be in repetition. Values can be repeated, no problem, but these keys should be unique. Okay, and we are assigning the values with respect to their unique keys. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's say I am making a dictionary of name student. I have to put curly brackets, key, let's say name 1 colon marks. Okay, mark 1. Okay, comma name 2 colon mark 2. Okay, and so comma and so on. So these are my keys and these are values. This is key, this is their respective value. What are dictionaries? Think of dictionaries as collection of keys and value in pairs. Okay, keys, these are unique labels that identify each piece of information. They can be string, number, even tuple, anything. Just like names are unique, keys in the dictionary must also be unique, no duplicates allowed. Values, these are actual items to store. Okay, they can be anything from simple number, string to more complex structure, anything, or even other dictionaries. Why do we use dictionaries? Fast lookup. So need to find something very quickly? Yes, dictionaries are champion at this. With the unique key as your guide, you can access any value instantly, no matter how many items are there in the dictionary. It's like having a super efficient filing system where you can jump right to the information you need. Flexibility, keys and values can be different data type, giving you freedom to store all sort of information together. Need to keep track of a friend's name, age, favorite color? No problem, dictionary can handle it all. Dynamic storage, unlike some of other data structure, dictionaries can grow and shrink as needed. Adding and removing information is a breeze, making them perfect for suitable where data is constantly changing. Keep in mind, order doesn't matter. Okay, in list and tuples we use indexing. Okay, if you want to find something you use indexing, but here you don't use indexing. Instead of that, when you retrieve information you use the key name, because keys are unique. Okay, not the position name. In indexing we use position, but here you don't need to use position. You can just call the key name and you will get the respective value of that key. Unique key, remember keys have to be unique. Think of them like individual fingerprint. Okay, alternatives of order, if you want to keep your order you can use list instead of dictionary. Okay, examples like phone book, shopping cart, student records. I have created a empty list empty dictionary, sorry, here my dictionary. If I'll call it my dictionary, what would I get? An empty dictionary. Dictionary with initial key value pairs. See, this name is my key, Alice is my respective value. Again, age is my key, 25 is my respective value. Same major and CS. Okay. If I'll call student, what would I get? I would get the dictionary. Okay. Accessing and modifying values. How to access it? Name is equal to student. So this is the format. Okay. Student is my dictionary and name, this name is my key. Okay. So I am calling name into the student dictionary. Okay. And I am storing the value of this thing in the name. Let's call name again and see what happened. We'll get the value of respective key. Okay. Modifying value. Here I am writing age is equal to 26. Earlier it was 25. See here, it was 25. But I am changing that thing. Okay. Age student in student dictionary I am calling the age and is equal to 26. Update it. Okay. And I am adding another key, that is city. Value of that is New York. Now again call student. Here you can see the 26 has been updated and we have added another key and respective value here. Okay. Deleting key value pairs. Okay, we can use del function here. So you are calling the student dictionary and respective key and it will remove that pair. Okay. Now again call student. What would I get? I would get a dictionary without the city and its value as well. Okay. Default values. What is default values here? So email is equal to student dot get email, and here this is the default value I have given for the email. So what am I doing? I am searching email in my student dictionary. If there is any key named email, then give me the value of that email. If it is not there, give me the default value which I am setting here. See, print email comma email. Okay. What will I get? I will get email is equal to alice@example.com. Why? Because there is no email key here. Okay. Let's say I will write name is equal to student dot get name comma unknown. Okay. Now I'm calling print, let's say name comma name. Okay. See, I've done the same format here. Email name. So when I call here email, I got the default value which I have written here. Okay. So I have written here unknown. Okay. In student, I am searching for name. If there would be no name, I will get unknown. But if there would be name, I must get the value of that thing. So here I am getting Alice instead of the unknown. Okay. Let's say I will delete name here. Okay. If I'll delete name here, then I run it again. In that case, I will get unknown. See, can you see that? So now I will get name Alice. Okay. Iterating over dictionaries, right? See, for key in student, print key. I will get all the key name here. Okay. Let's run it. Key, it's like name, age, major. Okay. like this. So for loop I'm using here. For key you can write here anything, I, so you have to call I here. Okay, for I in student, print I will get the key names, iterating over keys and value pairs. For key value in student dot items, I'm using here dot items. Dot items will give me all the items which are present in the student. Okay, what I'm writing, print key value, this one. Okay, print key value. If I will say here, I will write here I have to write here I. Okay, dot items, give me all items. I will get name, Alice, age 25, major, CS. Okay, iterating over values, I want values, so I am using here dot value. For key you don't need to use anything. Okay, but for values you have to use. Okay, so again I can write here anything, I or K or anything. Okay, I will get the values. Why? Because I'm using here dot values. I will get items, both key and values. Why? Because I'm using dot items. For keys you don't need to use anything. Okay, advanced topic. Let's say I want to find name in student, city in student. I'll get, I can print all together, or I can just use like, wait, insert below here. I'm finding city because there is no city. You can see I had deleted this city. Okay, I had deleted this city. Let me show you if do we have city or not. If I insert below here, if I'll write here student, I don't have any city here, so I'm getting false here. Okay, dictionary comprehensions. See, squares, if I want to get squares. Okay, so x colon x into x for x in range 5. Okay, so what I have to, like, range 5 will give me from 1 to 4. Okay, x in range 1 to 4, what you do, call all the values of 1 to 4 and do their square, because I am writing x into x. If I'll do here 2, let's say 2. Okay, first let me do x here. Okay, I will get, wait, I have to call squares here. I will get the squares. What would happen if I will insert below this one? I will write, let's say double, I will put 2 here. What will I get? I will get the just double of everything. Okay, so in this way we can get the dictionary. Nested dictionary, again phone book, Alice. Okay, there is one dictionary here which is name of Alex. I have put all information about the Alice. Bob, I put all information about the Bob, and there is a dictionary here, you can see here, and which is name as phone book. Okay, if I'll call phone book, what will I get here, like this? Okay, customizing key equality. What is this? Again, we have not studied about the class and method and this thing, but I'm just showing because I have written here, so I'm showing the result for this. So class, I have created a class point, and there is a method here, and I am calling here self. I will tell you about this self and everything when we'll study about the class and method. Here what I can say point is equal to point, okay, 2, 3, print point. I will get an error because here I have to write point x comma point dot y. Why I'm getting error here? Oh, because I have not run this one. Yes, point dot x point dot y. Okay, I'm getting the coordinates 3, 2 and 3. See, this is the class point. I have defined a method here, x and y. Okay, for x and y, self dot x is equal to x, self dot y is equal to y. This self is related to x and y both. Okay, I have created another method, point is equal to point, this point. Okay, 2 and 3, I have given the value of this x and y here. Okay, so I am now, this point is a new class. Okay, so print this new class dot x, the value of x, and new class value y. Okay, like this. We will study about this class and method in detail when we'll study about the creating the classes and method. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more tutorial on Python and machine learning. Thank you.